All right, hello everyone. It's Tyler. It's for the 2020 Fantasy Football League, and so we're gonna be doing the draft order. So I'm gonna write all the names here. I did it already. Everyone's team's in one slip of sheet, and I'm gonna put it in this bucket. And if I pull your name out first, you have the first pick. If I pull your name out second, you have the second pick, and so on and so on. Yeah, so I thought it'd be cool just to do it a little early and be, something different to do. You can do like early mock drafts where you know where you'd be, or just know your draft pick a little earlier. So I kind of wrote all what I'm about to say in the chat, but I'm just gonna remind everyone, um, that we're planning on doing it the second, September 2nd at 8:30. That could change though based on what people's schedules are and like preferences, I guess, because I want everyone to make sure they can make it to the draft. Don't want any like auto pick people. So I have my brother with me. He's going to pop in real quick. That's my brother. I'm gonna once I pull him out, he's just gonna write the name so I have the order and make sure I do it fairly. Let's see here. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, so we went from 10 teams to 12 teams, so a little bit of a change. You got to make sure you're prepared for that, I guess. You're going to have less studs on your team. And so the pay for the league, we went from $5 to $10 this year. I think we're going to probably go up a little bit each year as we solidify like who's kind of in the league. So for pay though, I would like people to pay by before the draft or before like week 1, because I had a problem last year where I was like kind of very lenient and as to like when people paid, and there was a kid that really wouldn't pay, and it was kind of a pain. So I'm gonna be a little more strict this year, but if you got a problem or concern, just let me know. We'll work through it. I understand things happen. So if the season gets canceled for some reason, I don't think it will because there is the opt-out for COVID and whatnot. But if it does get canceled, then I will. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But what I'm thinking is I might just cancel the league for this year, and I'll return everyone's money and pretend like it didn't happen this year, basically, and we'll return to it next year. That's probably what I'm thinking if it happens. Yeah. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, so I think we're ready to start folding some papers, throwing in a bucket, and start picking teams for, or picking the order for the draft. Here, Carter, you want to fold a few? Get them in here quicker. Charlie. He's fine. All right. You ready to write names down? Yeah? Okay. All right. First pick of 2020 NFL draft for fantasy will be Eric Ledke, Team Ledke. There's a K at the end.
Did I ask?
CK.
I don't give a shit.
Okay. Second pick will be Gunther Dadson, Team Nick Chubb. Nick's Chubb. Trying to hit Charlie. The third pick in the draft will be Carter Wright, Sea Dog. He's ripping the paper, isn't he? Making a mess. Alright, ready? The fourth pick of the draft will be Nolan Lease, Team Big Daddy. What number? In 5th?
Yeah.
The 4th pick of the draft
No.
is Team Corbelli, Chris Corbelli's team.
5th pick.
5th pick. The 6th pick of the NFL draft will be Team H.O. Skoma, Nikolai L's team. The next pick was a 7. Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Is Team Florida Grabber, Ryan B. What do we got?
8.
Pick number 8 is Sean McElduff, Team Sean Domax. The next pick, which is 9, right? Yeah. The 9th pick is Team Futter, Livonia Futter, John's team. We got 10 now? Yeah. The 10th pick is Nick's team. Nick Masters. Jeez, I'm really not picking my team right now. Last 2. I'm literally the last pick. The 11th team is Garoppolo's ACL, Carmen Johnson's team. And I guess that was me. What are the odds of that? Yep. Last pick, Team Twinkle Toes, Tyler Wright. And that concludes the NFL fantasy draft for 2020. Hope everyone enjoyed this. I thought it was pretty cool. I might do it again next year. That's Charlie. Anyways, peace out.